If you have some skills and if you wanna make money online, there are so many websites where you can make money online. So today I will list some of these websites, and I will try to explain how to work on these websites and how to make money online through these websites. So if you want to earn extra cash, turn on these money making websites. There are so many websites actually. Let me list some of them. The websites which is like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Easy.com, TaskRabbit.com, Wonder.com. Maybe you may heard about some of these websites before, and also maybe you may try some of them, but you will not successfully make money online. But today I will tell you how to make some quick extra cash on these websites. There are some other websites also, like Cartel.com, Gazelle.com, Swap.com, and some more. So I will attach the link of these websites in the description below, and you can check the description part also. You can check the description of this video, and you can access these websites. Then you can open accounts. As I said, like if you have some skills, you can make money online, even if you don't need to be like specialist on computer science or some other related fields. But like if you have time, if you have good internet connections or good internet access, then I'm sure that you may find some of the websites what you can make money online. And for today, I will gonna explain about one of these websites, which is called Upwork.com. So in this video, I will explain about how Upwork.com works, and the highlights, some highlights of Upwork.com, and also what are the drawbacks of these websites. As I said before, there are so many websites where you can make money online, and each of them websites have their own advantages, and sometimes also they have their own disadvantages, and maybe they need different talents. So you should smoothly check like where you can be successful, because different websites have different platforms, or like have different ways to make money. So you need to carefully check each website and try to select the one which is suitable for you. As I said before in this video, our main topic is one of these websites to make money online, which is called Upwork.com. Essentially, Upwork is a meeting site where the business and the freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. So if you are a freelancer, or if you need work, if you are interested to get some jobs online, this website, which is called Upwork.com, will offer you different business. Business hire freelancers for a variety of different services, including writing. So if you have something writing skills, you may get online work through Upwork.com. Also, if you have talent, or like if you have skill on web design, also Upwork.com will offer you different web design online jobs. Also, as we know that search engine optimization, or SEO, is one of the major tools which will grow the websites, which will let the websites to get high traffic. So if you have search engine optimization, or if you have SEO skill, even if you are not verified. I mean, even if your skill is not verified, but actually if you can do SEO things, or if you can run SEO campaigns, Upwork.com will need you also, or Upwork.com businessmen will need you. So search engine optimization is also one of the major tools which is Upwork.com offer you as a business through this their online platform, and also pretty much any work that can be done on a computer can find this type of work through Upwork.com also. When we see some highlights of Upwork.com, Upwork takes a commission from 5% to 20%, but the more money you make, the less the commission will be. So if you are new, or if you make some small amounts of money, Upwork.com will take a commission up to 20% of that money. But if you grow, and if you adapt this Upwork.com website, and if you can make more money, Upwork.com will take only about 5 to 10% commission from the money that you make. So I think it have advantages also, because if you make more money, Upwork.com will take small amount of commission from you. So I think it's better, or like this quality will make Upwork.com better than some other websites. And when we see the drawbacks, Upwork has been so successful that there is a lot of competition on the website. And that can be a real drawback for people who are new to the site. So there will be some competition in the website through different business, or like there will be competition to get some of these online jobs. So if you are new, you may be struggle to get or to start some online businesses through these websites. For example, the owner of a digital marketing agency in Toronto, this digital marketing agency was called the Shirtless Web Guy, and her name is Sacha Darosa, and she said that, or like she gave her own opinion from her experience about Upwork.com, and let me tell you what she said about, or what was her opinion about Upwork.com. And she said that, before I started my business in web design, I created profiles on websites such as Upwork. In the beginning, it was a struggle to attract any attention from buyers on those platforms, because there is so much competition, and much of the competition was from overseas, which made it impossible for me to compete with others on price. They lowered their prices for a while, and she was thinking that she working for next to nothing. But the positive feedback made their profile look better, and they started charging more after a while. So this is how they deal with this type of problem. So I think we can get something to help us from their experience also. And this website, which is called Upwork.com, is one of the websites where you can make quick extra cash for us. So I just recommend you to try this website, which is really good and which is really famous website. So I will attach the link in the description below, and you can go to the website and you can try some of its tools.